Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can find promotions in the CCC app, but first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the CCC app, and here already you can see the Black Week promotions. If you tap on it, here you will have your items on the Black Week promotion. But if you tap on the bottom on the right side, on your profile, here you can find promotions. Tap on promotions, and here you will have some vouchers. If you tap on it, for example, here you can copy this code, and you can have 40% off on these kids shoes. And here you can find some others at the promotions. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.